So the next topic that we have to cover, that is error. Now first of all, what is error? The lack in accuracy in the measurement due to limit of accuracy of the instrument or due to any other cause is called error. Now in a system, the error may be due to number of cases, like systematic errors are there, like random error, like when we are taking the reading just because of our ignorance or due to something else or due to disturbance of the instrument, error is considered in the calculation. Sometimes it's zero error, like in instrument 0 is not correctly placed or some error related to 0 is there, or sometimes it's personal or humanistic error, like we are not so careful about doing reading. In that case, we read 2.56 on the scale instead of 2.55. So these are some systematic error that get introduced because some of our ignorance and sometimes due to surrounding and also due to some other conditions. But now we have to discuss the major types of the error that we have to calculate. Like first of all is absolute error, mean absolute error, then relative error. Relative error is also called fractional error, and then percentage error. We have to discuss about these errors in detail. First of all, what is absolute error is? Absolute error, the difference between the true value and the measure value of a quantity, is called absolute error. Suppose we have a system in which I know what's the true value of a constant. I know the true value of g is, say, 9.8 meter per second square. But I perform an experiment in which I calculate or observe the value of g by number of times. All the time I throw a ball from a height and note its time, velocity and all the things, then I calculate its g. And now suppose during the observation of experiment or during the calculation of the result of the experiment, I did the experiment 3 number of times. Suppose initially I get value of g equals to g1 equals to 9.89 meter per second square. In second trial, suppose I get the value 9.79 meter per second square. Third time I get the value g is equals to 9.88 meter per second square. In fourth trial, I get the value of 9.91 meter per second square. So these are the 4 results that I get during the experiment. But so these all are the observed value. These all are the observed value. But we know true value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. Now absolute error is what? It is the difference between the true value and the observed value. Means absolute error is denoted by delta. We have to calculate error in g, so delta g due to first observed, so delta g1. So true value minus first observed value, that is g minus g1. This is delta g1. This is absolute error in g1. Now delta g2 is g minus g2. Now delta g3 is g minus g3. Now you have to keep one thing in mind, you have to take mode of this, because sometimes error is in plus or minus, so you always have to take plus values. So that's why we are taking mode here. So this is the absolute error. Absolute error is the difference between true value and the observed value. True value and the observed. So absolute error is true value minus observed value. Suppose there is a case in which we don't know about the true value, what the true value is. In that case, how to calculate true value first? How to calculate true value first? Because if we have the true value, only then we can calculate the absolute error. Absolute error. So how to calculate the true value? Sometime in case when true value is not given, in that case true value is equals to mean of observed value, mean of observed values. Suppose here we have 4 values of g1 plus g2 plus g3 plus g4. We will take the mean of this is g bar, so this is the true value here, this is the true value. So absolute error is the difference between true value or the measured, or sometimes measured value is also called observed value. This is called observed error. If this all are the major value and then arithmetic mean gives the true value, arithmetic mean of all this gives the true value. To calculate the absolute error, we minus true value minus observed value, true value minus observed value. Now next is mean absolute error. Mean. Next one is mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Let's discuss about the previous case. We get absolute error in G1, absolute error in G2, absolute error in G3 and G4. Now it's clear from the define that mean absolute error means we have to calculate mean of all absolute error, means delta G1 plus delta G2 plus delta G3 plus delta G4 whole divided by 4. This is mean absolute error, so it is represent delta G by bar. So this is mean absolute error. So mean absolute error is the arithmetic error in which magnitude of absolute error is measured is called mean absolute error. Next one is relative error or fractional error. Now it's quite clear from the word itself. Fractional or relative means we have to take ratio of mean absolute error by true value. Relative error is thus mean error, that is delta G bar, upon the true value, that is G bar. So this is relative absolute. Suppose we have to calculate relative absolute error in G1. Suppose in G1, then it is relative error in G1, absolute error in G1 upon true value. This is the formula. Suppose we have to calculate relative error in G2, then formula will be delta G2 upon G bar. But if we have to calculate relative error of mean absolute error, then delta G bar upon G bar is the formula. Next is percentage error. Percentage error. It's quite simple. Percentage error is nothing but relative error into 100. Means relative error is delta G bar upon G bar into 100. This is the formula of percentage error. This is the formula of percentage error. So the percentage error is relative error expressed in percentage. So this is the formula. Next one is we are going to do an example of this all error we have considered. Suppose we have a diameter of a wire. There are number of observation of the diameter. 1 point this all the diameter. This is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. 6 diameters are given. First you have to calculate mean diameter value. This mean diameter value actually give you the true value. Then we have to find absolute error in the each measurement, mean absolute error, fractional error, percentage error. Also express the result in term of absolute and the percentage error. First of all, you are given the 6 value of D. You are given here 6 value of D. D1 is given to you, D2 is given to you, D3, D4, D5 and D6. First step you have to do what? You have to take mean of all. D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus so on D6 divide by 6. This will give you mean. So this mean is actually true value. true value. Second, so this is true value, or this is also called mean of all diameters. Now second point, you have to do what? You have to calculate absolute error in each diameter, or for each diameter. That means delta d1 you have to calculate, that is d bar minus d1. Delta d2 you have to calculate, that is d bar minus d2. Similarly d3, d4, then delta d6 will be d bar minus d6. So this is the second point that you have to cover. Third point, you have to find mean absolute error. Mean absolute error means you have to calculate delta d bar. The formula of delta d bar or mean absolute error is absolute error in first plus absolute error in second plus absolute error in third, in fourth, so on, absolute error in sixth divided by 6. This will give you mean absolute error. Then you have to calculate relative error. This is simply a mean absolute error upon true value. Then you have to calculate percentage error, that is relative error into 100. So what we will observe? First we have taken the mean, this is the true value here. Then delta d bar is this minus this, so this all are the values. We also have to take mode. For the mean we have to take mode. Second, mean absolute error, we just take sum divided by 6. So this is the result. Then fractional or relative error, that is mean upon true value. So this is the result, plus minus. Then we have to calculate what? Percentage error, simple multiply fractional error into 100. Diameter of wire. Now if we have to write the diameter, well, that is simply true value plus minus error. So this is true value plus minus error, or true value plus minus true value with unit plus minus percentage error, or true value plus minus error with centimeter. This is absolute mean absolute error. So these are the question, all question related to the mean and absolute error. Mean error, absolute error, percentage error, and the relative error.